Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a finance internship. In this YouTube video, I'll write a cover letter example that is short, concise and to the point. Once you are done writing, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the hyperlink in the description for more information. Now before I start writing the example letter, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for a finance internship job application. First off, use a formal font and font size that is easy to read. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Furthermore, stick to a one-page document with around 300 words and divide your letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, address your letter to someone and write a suitable greeting. For example, Dear Mr. Miller or Dear Miss Miller. And you can use Mrs. as the abbreviation if the recipient is a married woman. Now if you don't know the reader's gender, then I would advise you to write the full name, as in Dear Stephen Miller. If you can't, after thorough research, find any contact information, then I would advise you to write Dear Hiring Manager. Thirdly, don't forget to answer the what, where and when questions. So where did you find the vacancy? What position are you applying for? At which establishment? When do you want to start? And what about the internship duration? If you answer these questions, it attracts the reader's attention and proves your attention to detail and ability to communicate effectively. Fourthly, your cover letter is a supplement to your resume. So instead of listing your skills and experience like you do in your CV, you need to elaborate on your motivation and emphasize what experience or achievements relate to the internship. At last, pay attention to your cover letter ending. For example, kind regards, best regards, or sincerely. Yours sincerely is British, and Americans tend to reverse the order and write sincerely yours. Nowadays, sincerely is a common and an acceptable close for American cover letters. You can also write yours faithfully, which can be used when the recipient is not addressed by name, like in Dear Hiring Manager. It is a British usage. Yours truly is the American equivalent. Alright, that's it for the most important writing tips. Next up, I want to start writing the cover letter example. First, you need to list your contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and position, followed by the company's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Mr. Miller. And this is how you structure an American English cover letter. For British English, you need to put the contact information and date on the right side. Then you need to put the date first, then the month, and exclude the comma. Underneath we notice that the subject is included in the British English letter. It is commonly used in the UK, but usually left out in the US. For American usage, the month is placed first, followed by the date, and you need to insert a comma between the day and year. We also include a dot after the abbreviation MR or MS. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to include probably the most important information. You need to state the position you are applying for, where you find the vacancy, and which establishment you want to work at. Furthermore, inform the reader when you want to start the internship, and also state the exact time duration of the internship. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself followed by a motivation for the job opportunity. Try to answer questions like, what triggers you to work in finance? Or, why do you want to do your internship at their company? Show that you are in fact interested in specifically this job role at their company. In the third paragraph, you need to like this video if you like what you see so far, and subscribe for more related content. Okay, so you need to inform the reader where you currently stand, so your educational and career journey. Furthermore, you need to match your qualifications to the job requirements, and try to emphasize your major achievements and experience. In the last paragraph, you need to summarize your cover letter and express your interest to further discuss your candidacy. Refer to your attached references and resume, and include your phone number so they can easily reach out to you. Don't forget to thank the reader for taking their time to review your cover letter, and close in a compelling way. so kind or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, we covered the most important writing tips and actually made an example letter of around 300 words and 4 paragraphs. Want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format? Then visit my site via the hyperlink in the description. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!